Hello and welcome to the Resto Saga Classic Car Restoration YouTube channel. This is my 1976 Land Rover Series 3 88-inch, my 1969 MGB GT and my 1954 Morris Minor Series 2. The Morris Minor restoration is serialised here on the channel. There's quite a number of episodes, it makes a good watch. And this is the finished product. More videos of it coming along very soon. The MGB is currently undergoing a rolling restoration. As you can see, it's pretty tidy as it is, but I'm just fixing up some jobs that got missed by the previous owner whenever they did a major overhaul of this vehicle. And the Land Rover, the workhorse of the group. I restored it myself about 10 years ago. It's used around the house for odd jobs. It is coming up on needing some major work, including a respray back to the original limestone colour and a few cosmetic bits and pieces, probably an engine and gearbox rebuild as well. So hit the subscribe button, keep tuned, lots of videos coming up very soon.